guys, it's Judy here with my life as Kikay, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a clothing fashion try-on haul from Target, TEMT, and Fashion Nova. Kikay is a Filipino slang word for someone who loves makeup, beauty, and fashion. And so on this channel, I create videos about exactly those things in the form of product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join the Kikay family. And if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. Like I said before, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a fashion try-on haul. I haven't done one of these for a hot minute, and I've been collecting a few bits and pieces from Target, Fashion Nova, and from TEMT Australia. I'm not going to be talking about the pieces because y'all can see what it looks like anyway. I'm just going to play some music, do a little bit of a try-on, styling, pose, look at this outfit type of thing, and I'm going to leave somewhere on the screen where the outfit was from, and if I can remember, if I still got the receipts. Got the receipts, honey, how much the item cost me. Also, if I can find links to any of these products, I will leave them listed in the description box down below. I love doing fashion try-on hauls because it means that I can buy the clothes, use them for my day-to-day, everyday life, and still claim it on tax. One of the plus sides about being a beauty blogger, beauty YouTuber, you know, someone who uses literally everything in their life for content on the YouTube channel. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up, enjoy. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because I put out 2 videos every single week. If you enjoyed my Halloween series, let's please hear it. Let's hear it. Let's hear about it. I worked so hard on that series, you guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you haven't yet seen it, I'm going to leave the playlist right up here so you can go check it out if you are at all interested. Let's get into trying on these clothes. I also just noticed that my jeans are really wrinkly because I pulled these out of the wash because these have become my favorite pair of jeans. This is from Fashion Nova, and just ignore the fact that they're really wrinkly, and the fact also that I noticed there's a very deep dark dye spot in the jeans, like right there, and it's not a very pretty spot to be. Lucky I wear an apron on front of these jeans whenever I wear them at work. But anyway, just ignore the fact that they're all wrinkly, but I love the way that these jeans look on me. They're so comfortable, they're stretchy, oh my goodness. So yeah, anyway, let's try on the rest of the clothes. This is one of the tops from this haul. This is from TEMT, and these are from Fashion Nova. So I'm just gonna try on the rest of the clothing and show you guys. Not only that, I got some footwear, shoes. It's shoes. I bought some shoes from Famous Footwear as well. It's one of the more affordable shoe shops here, and I'm really loving them. So I'm going to show them to you and use them in some of the styling of some of these looks as well. Jeans from Fashion Nova so much that I bought the 4 different shades that it came in. It comes in a white as well, but me and white don't mix, so I just bought it in the black, and I liked the black so much that I bought 2 pairs, this dark navy blue, this lighter wash of blue, as well as the lightest wash of blue. So I got it in all the shades for all occasions. This black lacy crop top from TEMT so much as well that I bought it in several different shades. Also, I bought it in a dusty blue, a dark navy type of blue. I also got it in the black and the red, and I bought it in white as well, but I wore that one the other week and I put it in the wash, and I didn't put it on a gentle enough cycle that it kind of tore out the lace on the backs and it ruined the lace on the top itself. So I'm gonna have to go and get another one, but I like that white one because it's like really nice to layer underneath one of these lighter type of tops, if that makes any sense, with some jeans and nice boots or some nice shoes. Coming into summer, I'm not going to be wearing a whole lot of boots, but check out these snazzy boots though. Oh my goodness, they make quite a statement with the black jeans and the red top. I'm feeling it. I know it's not a lot of people's like cup of tea type of fashion statement, but I really like it. I really like it. I like it. So that's those ones. I'm not gonna put all of them on. They basically look like this on, but in different colors. Now, check out this red dress that I bought from Target. Can you tell I like red? Can you tell? Can you tell at all? I like red. I kind of feel like you have to have a very strong personality and high sense of confidence to be able to pull it off. And I feel like maybe I can. Not tooting my own horn here or saying I got tickets, but you know what? You know what? I actually really like this dress. Love this top. This is from TEMT. I really like it because it's so thin and lightweight and summery. And I'm going to the beach in a couple of weeks, and I'm really looking forward to wearing something so lightweight down at the beach when it's going to be hot and summer and sun. It's almost like a crochet, really fine crochet knit type of top. Another crochet knit type of top. Not sure what kind of bra I should be wearing with this. I don't know. Does the black look alright? Should I wear a different colored bra with this? What do you guys reckon? Let me know in the comments. I've never really worn clothing like this before, and I'm not quite sure what sort of bra I should wear with it. Kind of like it. Maybe the straps are just that little bit too long. Maybe I should sew them up a little bit. It's another really beachy crochet knit breezy type of summery top, giving me all the beach vibes. Now, like I've said in some of my other try-on fashion videos before, I'm kind of branching out from the colors that I normally wear. I don't usually wear yellow because I feel like it makes me look sickly. I branched out and bought this mustard yellow top. Kind of like it, but also at the same time I feel like it makes me look green. I don't know. What do you guys reckon? Kind of like it, kind of don't know how I feel about it, but that's one from TEMT. And I bought it in a green too. I don't know how good I am at those video cut editing thingies. I like this green a lot better than the yellow one, that's for sure. Now from Fashion Nova, because I'm going to the beach in a couple weeks, I also did splurge and buy some bathers, which I'm not going to try on right now. And bathers, as you very well may know, I may as well be wearing my underwear. So I'm just going to show you guys over the top of my clothing. It's not quite the same effect, I know, but this is a sparkly bikini, which I really, really like. I think this is going to be my favorite go-to. And it's got a matching, what do you call it, briefs, underwear, bikini bottoms. Got a matching bikini bottoms with it as well. If I can find the photo of it from the Fashion Nova website, what it looks like on the model won't look quite the same on me, but what it looks like on the model, should I put it on over the top of my pants? Probably just looks stupid. But anyway, really sparkly, really love. And yeah, it's just gonna be a little bit of a fashion statement on the beach, even though I cannot swim to save my life. I also bought this one-piece bathing suit, which actually I could probably put on for you guys. Why not? Gee, my legs look ashy. Really need to moisturize. Anyway, so this is what the one piece looks like. I kind of actually really like this. I need to wear nipple covers with it because you can see my nipples through the bathers, but you know. This is what it looks like from the back. You'll probably see a few Instagram photos with this one on in a couple weeks. It's got that cute lattice moment on the side too. Full open back, really cute. And then I got another set of bathers from Fashion Nova as well, but I'm not really feeling this one. It's just kind of like a simple bikini top with a strappy bit at the back. And then this one's a high-waisted bikini bottom with like the strappies on the side as well. If I can find the photo of it on the Fashion Nova website, I'll put a photo up on the screen so you know what it looks like on the model. But I'm not gonna put it on right now because I have just that too much rolls around my waist that it kind of like spills out over the top of this high-waisted bikini bottoms. But yeah, those are all the bathers that I bought from Fashion Nova. Oh, I also bought two cardigans, one from Target. Actually, they're both from Target, but I'm not gonna put them on right now because it is sweltering in my filming room at the moment, and I just bought them for winter next year. I like to stock up on my winter clothing when it's the winter sale and it's going into spring, summer, so that I have winter clothes for next year. So this one's just a really nice throw over large cardigan. Oh, fine, I'll put it on so you guys can see what it looks like. I'll just, you know, wear it for work or something without the bikini bottom, obviously. But yeah, it's just like a nice gray type of cardigan. Wear it to work. Nice, simple, basic essentials that you need in your wardrobe. And this one I'm not gonna put on because it's really thick, but you can see the color of it and the kind of texture of the fabric. Really like this one. It's a high turtleneck. Probably will really only wear it when it's really super cold. But I really like the look of this type of sweater. It'll be nice, a pair of jeans, some high boots, and it's just like a nice casual moment. Really love the look of this sweater though. This style is coming back. I feel this style is coming back. It's so soft. All right, I'm gonna put some proper clothes on. Now, when I was packing to move into this house that I bought back in May of this year, I threw out a lot of shoes that I just didn't end up wearing. Like, my style has really changed over the years, and I'm being a little bit more sensible in my choice of footwear, not like wearing heels all the time. You know, sometimes I just wanna wear flat shoes, but that look good and comfortable. So I went and bought several pairs of shoes from, I think it was Famous Footwear, and so now I'm gonna show them to you guys. But I'm not gonna like do the whole thing because I'm not gonna change my clothes for the style of the shoes, if you know what I mean. I'm just gonna shut up and put them on. Collection of clothing which I now have strewn all over my beauty room floor right now, but I've also picked up a few bits and pieces of jewelry and accessories which I have also sort of grown into wanting to wear. Like, I never used to want to wear gold jewelry, and now I'm all about that. Like, I love the way that gold rings look on my skin. I used to be someone who always wore only silver jewelry, but now I kind of like the way that gold looks on my skin because I have brown skin. I just got these ones from Target, and then this bunch of hoop earrings I bought from Kmart. So they're just really cheap. This bunch was $4 for 3 large hoop earring pairs, and then this bunch of rings I bought from Target, like this whole bunch here, I think it was like $6, and then the necklace was about $6 as well from Target. So really loving these gold accessories. Really cute, cheap, not expensive at all. Doesn't cost much to be accessorized these days anyway. Maybe I should put the earrings on. Let's put the earrings on. I'll put the biggest ones on. You know what they say, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the hook. I also got these hair tie thingies from Target as well, but look how cute they are. The red, the stripy one, the blue, the stripy one, really cute. And then I bought this bag. I think this one was from the op shop, so this one was just like a nice little pouch type of bag just to put my phone and wallet in for when I go to the beach and I don't want to take a big massive bag with me. So yeah, nice, cute, simple. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really truly appreciate that you come with me on this try on fashion clothing journey. I hope it wasn't too confusing for you with all the different clothing. I kind of wanted to style everything together, but it wasn't really one whole color themed story. If you want to see, like, all the clothes are piled here, and it's probably going to sit here for another week before I put it back on the clothing rack. But I really enjoyed trying on these clothing. I've been wanting to film this one for a little while now, but I've been so incredibly busy with my Halloween series. Again, if you haven't seen it, I'm going to leave the playlist listed up here or in the description box down below. If I can find the links to any of these items, I will leave them listed in the description box down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of the 2 videos that I put out every single week. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are lifeaskikay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! What do you reckon? Does this hat suit me? Hat? No hat. Hat. Just wear it to the side like some posh celeb tags. I don't know what I'm trying to achieve here. So stay tuned. I'm already feeling myself. I can't stay still. It's all the coffee. It's all the coffee. I'm trying to get myself hyped. It's really warm in here as well. Kikay is a fashion word. It's a fashion word. And if you're returning here, check out my FUDUBUDDYs. Maybe throw on type of to throw on underneath one of these, like, very light top type. What am I trying to say? Dear. And then this bunch of poop. Thank you for joining me and my FUDUBUDDYs.